Shalom everyone, ate once again. Today's vlog, continuation po ito ng Aleph. Sa part 1 po, nag-stop tayo sa letter Vav. At nagbigay ako ng example kung paano naging vowel ang letter Vav. Now, mag-i-start po ulit tayo sa letter Vav. At magbibigay po ako ng example kung paano naging consonant ang letter Vav. Okay. Printed Vav. Handwritten Vav. Example, lalagyan ko ng nikod para mabasa. This nikod represent vowel A. Guys, sa Hebrew, wala silang letter W. Kaya ang ginagamit nila, Vav. Okay, 410. In Hebrew, Vav. In English, wow. Okay, next letter, Zayin, as in Z. Printed Zayin. Handwritten Zayin. Okay, example. This code represents silent E. Now, ang basa dyan, zvov. 410. Zvov means fly or langaw. Okay, next letter. Ito po ang pinakamahirap bigkasin. Het. Parang laging may bara sa lalamunan. Het sounds KH. Printed het. Handwritten het. Okay, example. This code represent vowel E. Now, ang basa po natin dyan, Haifa. 410. Haifa. Next letter, Tet, as in T. Printed Tet. And handwritten Tet. Example, this vowel represent letter O. Now, ang basa natin dyan, Tov. 410. Tov means good. Next, letter Yud, as in Y. Printed Yud. This letter very short. And handwritten Yud. Example, okay, now, lagyan natin ng nikod. This nikod represents silent E. This nikod represent vowel U or U. And this nikod represent vowel A. And this is vowel A. And this is vowel I. Now, ang basa dyan, Yerushalayim means Jerusalem. Guys, Jerusalem sa Hebrew word, Yerushalayim. Okay, 410. Jerusalem. Okay, next letter kaf can be K or KH. Printed kaf and handwritten kaf. Guys, kapag ang letter kaf may dot sa gitna or likod, ito ay K. Without dot, KH. And ang letter kaf mayroong final letter or sofet sa Hebrew. Final letter for printed kaf and final letter for handwritten kaf. Ang tawag niyan sa Hebrew, sofet, means final letter, at ito ay makikita lang sa hulihan ng isang word na nagtatapos sa letter kaf. Okay, for example, letter kaf, this nikod as in letter K. And this nikod represent vowel A. Now, ang basa natin dyan, can, means yes. 410. Can, yes. This letter, non-sofet or final non. Letter N. Okay, next letter, lamed as in L. Printed lamed. Handwritten lamed. Okay, example. This nikod represent vowel O. This is lamed and this is Aleph. And this is vowel O. Now, ang basa natin dyan, lo, means no. 410. Lo, no. Next letter mem as in M. Printed mem and handwritten mem. Guys, ang letter mem ay may final letter or sofet. Final letter for printed mem and final letter for handwritten mem. Ang mem sofet ay makikita sa hulihan ng isang word na nagtatapos sa mem. Example, this is letter mem, vav, resh, and hey. This nikod represent vowel O and this nikod represent vowel E. Now, ang basa natin dyan, more. More, teacher na lalaki. How about teacher na babae? Mora. Vowel O and this is vowel A. Mora, teacher na babae. 410. More. Kapag babae naman, mora. Okay, magbibigay naman ako ng isang word na nagtatapos sa mem sofet. Printed mem and mem sofet for printed mem. Now, ang basa dyan, mem. This is printed mem and this is mem sofet. Nagtapos siya sa letter M and this is mem sofet. Okay, 410. This is 110 mem and this is 110 mem sofet. Mem. Okay, next letter, nun, as in N. Final letter nun and handwritten nun. Guys, ang letter nun, meron ding final letter or nun sofet. Final letter for printed nun. And final letter for handwritten nun. Okay, example natin. This letter printed non, this letter vav, and this letter non sofet for printed non. Now, lagyan natin ng nikod para mabasa natin yan. This nikod represent vowel U. Now, ang basa dyan, nun. 410. This is non. 410. This is vav. And this is non sofet. Nun. Next letter, samek, as in S. Printed samek. And handwritten samek. Okay, example. Lagyan natin ang nikod para mabasa natin kung ano to. This nikod represent vowel A and this is vowel A. Kapag may dot ang bet sa gitna, ito ay letter B. Without that, V, as in victory. Now, ang basa dyan, Saba, means grandfather. Okay, 410. Saba, grandfather. Next letter, ayin, as in I. Guys, ang pagbigkas ng ayin nanggagaling sa lalamunan. Printed ayin and handwritten ayin. Okay, example natin dyan. This nikod represent vowel A. And this nikod represent vowel A. Now, ang basa dyan, ain. Means eye, mata. Okay, 410. Ain, mata. Okay guys, that's all for today. Enjoy to learn how to write alphabet. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next vlog. Tudaraba, Bil Hitraot.